So if you are actually asking for the voice of the people, it is the voice of the House of Representatives as a collegial body. So yun ang dapat ginawa nila.
Okay. So, nung sinabi mo na hindi nila ginawa dahil hindi nila binigyan ng pagkakataon yung respondent sumagot at mag-explain, saan niya nakalagay sa Section 3 ng ating Article 11, which is the accountability of public officers in the Constitution?
Okay, ito
Which
kasi.
section is it and which
Okay,
paragraph?
okay. Ito sinasabi mo na section tsaka paragraph, you are misled
Yes.
again. Okay? Because
Okay.
the issue here is the Constitution, correct?
Yes.
Dan sa Constitution, merong Bill of Rights, correct?
Yes.
Okay, the Bill of Rights said, no person should be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Ang sinabi ng Supreme
Absolutely.
Court dyan, hindi mo pwedeng ihiwalay yan. Sinabi rin ng Supreme Court doon sa decision, in all stages of the impeachment, due process must be observed. Why? Because that is a mandate of the Constitution.